All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Amos Kester Ebiowei, your favorite animal scientist. We are back here again in Edo State. It seems Edo people like me a lot. I've done a lot of job here. If I wasn't married, I'm sure I'll be getting married in Edo State. But fortunately enough, I am married. So we are at Arogba community around Boundary Road within that community in Edo State. You pass through the airport road to get to this location where I am. So this is going to be the first of our series of pig production. So this is actually a pig farm. I know we have a couple of videos on pig in our YouTube channel, but we've not actually made a comprehensive series like we do with the snail, the grass cutter, and the poultry. So now we're bringing up this for snail, and it's actually going on here in Edo State, in Arogba community. So we have two massive structures here that is going to carry about 132 pens, 132 pig pens. Each of them is going to be measuring 5 meters by 2.5 meters. So that's the dimension for the pig pens we're about to set up here, based on the number of pigs we want to rear on this farm. So we're having 132 pig pens. This farm is capable of carrying up to 3,000 to 4,000 mature pigs at full capacity. So we are actually at the infrastructural phase, like we usually like to show you our videos from the start up of the construction down to the stocking and at the end of production. So what we are actually doing now is we've just done the perimeter block work and we are doing the filling. It's actually a very slopey land. So we are doing a lot of filling at the moment. A lot of money has been spent here. Just the filling alone, a lot of millions have gone in. So you know what we're talking about. The pig production is major project that we are embarking on here. So in order to reduce cost of production, we have also devised means of reducing the cost by stepping down the building, because we cannot afford to have a plain level, because with that we'll be filling too much. There will be a lot of filling sand going inside. So in order to ensure that we beat down cost, we have to do a step down. So we have 3 levels of step down on this building. So we'll just take you towards the ending aspect of it. So this is the first part of it. We can see the poles. We still have a lot of work to do. We've only stand the king poles. So we are still going to do a lot of work on the inside. So this is just the beginning of this project. You are going to be seeing a step-by-step build up of the pig farm. So this is the first phase of it. So we'll move down. All right, so this is the first phase of the filling. You can see the demarcation between this one and the other one, and between the other one and the last one. So you can see that with this we are able to reduce the level of material that will go in, because if we were to get everything at this level, the materials that will go in will be too much, way too much. So we try as much as possible not to waste our clients' resources, because nobody's blocking money anywhere. So we try as much as possible to keep costs as the barest minimum. So that's why we're doing this. And also, if we're to follow this area, it's still going to take a lot of materials. That's the German floor. We are looking at a thickness of 5 to 6 inches thickness of the cast, because pigs can be very, very rugged. And now with their level of ruggedity, you can have a lot of itches on the ground if you don't do a perfect job. So that is why we have made up our minds to partition the pens first. We carve out the pens, make them look like rooms, then we start the casting. So that way it's not going to take enough as much materials as it's going to take with this. So this is it. We have step 1, step 2, step 3 down there. So this whole structure is going to be used for breeding. The breeders will be here. That's to tell you we are bringing in a lot of breeders, to tell you the capacity of farm we're looking at. We still have a lot of space over down there, so there's room for extension and so on. So you can see these other parts now. Now this is the second building. The front is open for vehicles to move in to do the materials we have there, and the guys are doing the leveling. So we are still very much at the beginning phase of this project. So we'll keep filling until when we design the pens and we start the casting of the pens. We'll bring you another video of that. So we'll be bringing in the videos in sets and different stages. I mean, so this is the first stage. The second stage, we're going to show you how the partitions are being demarcated and all of that. So I have my plan here with me. So we're actually going to map out a few of the pens right now for the engineer to see how to do those partitions before they start the casting. So this is where we're going to call it a day for now. We'll be bringing subsequent videos. Like we said, this will be the first of a series of video on peak production, because we like to bring them face by face in series. So until we come your way again, don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and share the video, and also leave your comments. And in case you want to go into pig farming, you can always give us a call on our phone number +2348068525032. God bless you, and bye bye.